Hello everyone, welcome to the latest episode of the Agile PMP. I'm here with your Sunday status report, but yes, it's Monday. It's still a Sunday status report. Why? Because we had a delay. So we're going to talk about delays, and not really delays, but we're going to talk about what you do when you have a delay. I happen to be standing here at the Shasta Dam. You guys get a look at this thing here, the Shasta Dam. I just did a tour of this facility here. That sort of blocks all this water up here. And what's significant about the Shasta Dam, one, it holds the second largest amount of concrete. All right, the Hoover Dam holds, I believe, 4.3 million cubic tons of concrete. This one holds 6.4, enough to create a sidewalk about 3 feet wide, 4 inches thick, and it can circle our globe, can circle the equator. And so a man by the name of Frank T. Crowe, who is known for completing projects ahead of schedule and under budget, is the man who sort of led the building of this dam here. But one more time, you guys can take a look and get a good idea here. And why this is significant is because people think about these dams and they think about electricity, but that's just the end result. Right, during the time of this dam being built, it actually only cost $33 million. The project ended up costing $123 million. And when you talk about the schools that were built, the housing that was built, all the other engineering and consulting fees, that was the total cost of the project. For those of you guys that have been following, a couple days ago, we talked about the suspension bridge that was there in Red Bluff, and that was a $23 million project. It was supposed to cost $3 million. Now imagine this dam. $33 million in cost alone, and 90% of it is from rainfall, so all that water that we see there, 10% from snowmelt. And this is the water that serves most of California, all of the farmers. And when all 5 generators are there, I believe they said 710 megawatts or 10,000 megawatts, excuse me, I don't have my numbers correct on that one right now, but it's enough to power the city of San Francisco. So Frank T. Crowe started out by having delays all the time, and in the end, he took that information and was able to use it so that he got better, right? And a lot of times we'll call that lessons learned or retrospectives or postpartums, you know, any whatever term your company is using. Well, that's what you do with that information, and you get better at it. So we had a delay, and we were supposed to have a Sunday status report, but here we are on Monday, and we're still doing it anyways. And in addition to that, we get to show you guys this awesome engineering feat. So once again, this is the Agile PMP here with your Sunday status report. So I think for this week, we're going to talk a lot about what you do with this information. We'll talk about delays. We'll talk about, you know, what you can do with this valuable information with your team, how you get better at project delivery, and that'll be our theme. So look out for our Wednesday workshop. We'll discuss this. We'll turn around with the Friday follow-up, and then we'll follow up with all of your comments for our Sunday status report. Once again, CJ Mills signing out. Create solutions, adapt processes, think strategically. Thank you.